Hello, everyone, and welcome to Odia eSchool. So before we get started, I just wanted to give you a little bit of background regarding my experience learning Odia. Like many of you, I grew up hearing my parents speak Odia around the house, but I didn't even think about reading or writing until I was about 10 years old. And I know these symbols look really unfamiliar and super foreign to you right now, but with time and a little bit of practice, they're going to turn into letters that you recognize just as well as A, B, and C. And with that, let's get started. All right, here is the Odia alphabet. And just like in English, there are vowels and there are consonants. At the top in the orange boxes, you will see the Swara Varna, and those are our vowels. Just like in English, we have A, E, I, O, and U. Below that in white, we have the Vyanjana Varna, and those are our consonants, and they're ones that you're going to use a lot. They are very, very common. Below that in green are the Atirikta Varna, which are also consonants. Let's delve a little deeper, starting with our Swara Varna, or vowels. Looking at the table, you might notice that the top row is very, very similar to the bottom row. And that's actually because each letter in the top row corresponds to the one directly below it. The difference is the letters in the top row take less time to pronounce than the ones below it. Here, I'll read each pair one by one and see if you can spot the difference. A, A, I, U, U, R, E, I, O, Ow. Did you hear a difference? I'm sure you did. To make it a little bit simpler, we can say that the letters in the top row are our short vowels, and the ones in the bottom row are long vowels. Now, let's move on to the fun part, writing.
Are you ready to write Odia letters? Good. Let me tell you one thing. Odia letters are very artistic. It is the combinations of circles, half circles, loops, and lines. Let's start with the very first letter of Odia alphabets. O. 2 half circles, another half circle, and a line. Easy, right? As you already know, the next letter is A, which is very similar to O, except it has another extra line. Done. Very easy. Okay, let's move to the next one. Next is E. A nice loop and a half circle go all the way up to here and end with a small line. Looks like a tail. Yes, this is E or short E. Next is E or long E. Very similar to E, except an extra loop in the half circle. Here we go. This is E. We have just started writing few vowels. Can we read any words? Of course we can. Let's try to read this word. You got it. This is I. I can see a smile in your face. Yes, this is one of our favorite person in the world. I or grandma. So, by knowing only first 4 vowels, we can read and write a Odia word. Cool, isn't? Let's move on. Next one is U or short U. A line, half circle, loop, another half circle, and a line. Done. Next is long U. Same as short U. However, it has an extra loop. Done. Next is Ru. A nice small circle. Another half circle goes all the way up to here and ends with a small line or tail. Good, you got it. Next one is Ru. This one is very similar to Ru. However, it has an extra loop. Done. Next one is A. Very simple. 3 lines. That's all. Like drawing a triangle. Easy. Okay, next one is I. Same as A. However, it has a nice curvy line on its side and top, like this. Looks fancy, right? Yes, this is I. We are almost there. Next one is O. Very simple. One half circle and another one goes all the way up to here. Simple and easy. This is O. And the last vowel is O. Same as O. However, it has the fancy lines on the side and the top. Cool. Congratulations. We have completed our session on writing Odia vowels or Swaravarna. See you in the next session on writing consonants or Vyanjana Varna.